Hello YouTube. So the great thing about this DJI bag that came with the Mavic 3 Pro is that I can carry it around my neck. As you can see, the floor is wet. I don't want to put my bag on the floor, so I just keep it around my neck. Open up the bag, take out the drone, set my drone up here. Lanyard, put that around my neck. This is by FPV Toski. Links to purchase all this equipment are in the description below. Turn that on for the RC Pro. I like this cover because it protects the sticks. I don't have to put it away. And instead of putting this on the wet shelf here, I'll just clip in like this, like this. I'm ready to go and fly. What do you think about that, YouTube? All right, let's take off.
Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. And I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful. Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. And I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that